Hi everyone, and this is a small video which I have created to inform you about our new batch which is starting from tomorrow, that is on SAP S4HANA Finance 2025 version. So let me give you the background. Let me tell you what exactly you can expect out of this course. So this batch is obviously this course is going to be conducted through gauravconsulting.com. So if you go to gauravconsulting.com website, okay, so this is the course that we are talking about, the live online course, which is starting from 11th of Jan, that is tomorrow. So here you will be able to see all the details about the course, right? So what is the fees? What are the topics that we are going to cover? So let me just give you the little bit background. This is a completely beginner friendly course. Okay, so it is designed for the complete beginners, someone who is maybe just graduated or some accountants or financial professionals if you want to shift your career from the domain to SAP S4HANA consulting. Okay, or even if you are already working as an SAP end user and you want to move from end user to the consulting profiles, this course is perfect for you. So this course will help you in understanding all the topics which are important for a functional consultant to start their career. In addition, this course will also cover all the topics which are part of the SAP certification exam. As you know, the certification exam pattern has been changed, but still the topics are going to be same. So we'll be also helping you in how to prepare for your certification exam with the new approach. So in this course, which is around, the course's duration is around 3 months, and we are going to cover these topics, right? We are going to start with the overview to SAP S/4HANA. So even if you are a complete beginner, you don't have any background into SAP, that is completely fine, because we are going to start with the basics of SAP, including what is SAP, what is SAP HANA, what is S/4HANA, what is the difference between HANA and S/4HANA, then what are the different methodologies when you start working on the projects? What is SAP methodology? What is SAP Activate methodology? How SAP Fiori screens looks like? Those are the topics which we'll be starting with. And then obviously, because we are discussing in detail the SAP FI, we'll be covering the topics like enterprise structure, the general ledger accounting, accounts payables and receivables, asset accounting, period and closing. So if you want more details, you can obviously go through these topics in detail. What are the individual topics that we are going to create? So we highlighted only the, the major or the core areas which are related to this topic, but there are also, maybe there are some topics which are very small, which we are not specified in this list. And then we are also going to cover the basics of CEO. So when you start working as an SAP FI consultant, there are a lot of basic things that you need to do in CEO. For example, activating the cost center accounting and profit center accounting, creating the master data for the cost centers and profit centers, even performing the day-to-day activities from the cost center, profit center perspective. Those things are also covered in this particular course, right? So I think you got the good idea now. So it is a around 3 months course, and the course is only going to be conducted on weekends. So there are live sessions happening on every Saturday and Sunday. The remaining days will be giving you the activities which you need to perform on your own, and there will be the dedicated support team who will guide you wherever you are getting stuck. So there will be the proper WhatsApp group created for this batch. You can share your knowledge, you can ask the questions to each other, and obviously our support team, they will also help you wherever you are getting stuck. So that's about this course. If you have any further questions, any things that you wanted to clarify, reach out to my team. They will definitely help you out. So in order to reach out to my team, you can go through this page and you can see there is an option to chat with us. My team will be available there and they will guide you with your questions. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the session.